him on this video that if actress Ekene Umenwa is a bad friend, he is the worst.
Bonde manje mone kinenge no bosinketa ti mureze mozo. Iyoku ne se basalo our sister Ekene, and they confirm us one act or one lie that former best friend Yakita had dozen number wedding here. Here. So Madam Moria was again call address no way some certain things and they seeking and making a as okay habo. I'm honestly speaking, if this kind of thing is actually happening between both of them, because I have go bestie before. The best thing I get again a result of the issue out of social media or you keep mute. Yota. Where Gabi making bena drag one year na drag online is not necessary to me. It's not necessary because one is that no na top go before. So ibia ne ukwu basalo yenka ne ukwu basalo just to make for ya ninja bukase ne hate lo yenka like yenka mba no don mota mana kunge Madam Morionti abone meche uneche fukode subscribe or comment share ma on notification again agazelu muni bonde manje mon kemesian.
So let us look at what the Bible is saying about friendship, so that some of you will stop boasting of friendship because you don't know what is friendship. The Bible, when you talk about, sisterly or brotherly relationship, the Bible said, whoever that does the will of God is my sister, my brother. It's not even talking about siblings. Bible didn't mention so much about siblings, but it talked about friendship. Go to your Bible, Ecclesiastes chapter 6, from verse 5 to 6, and then 14 to 17. It said, faithful friends are a sturdy shelter. Shelter. He said, whoever finds one has found a treasure. Meaning that when you have a friend, when you have a true friend, even when that person offends you, when that person annoys you, you can offer it to God. It can make you cry. It can break you. Because nobody likes betrayal. But that love that existed can never allow you, that true love can never allow you to come to the social media to start blackmailing the person or fighting back. Let me tell you, sometimes the more you defend yourself, the more you even cause more problem for yourself. As I said, that I want to analyze so many videos that Oga actor did under few days against Ekene Umenwa, the actress. Even though he did not call name, but we know who he was talking to. Just like now, I didn't call his name, but you all know who I'm talking about. And I want to tell him on this video that if actress Ekene Umenwa is a bad friend, he is the worst. If he's my friend, I'll start running away from him. I'll start fearing him, because that means any day we have a problem, he will come to the social media and talk about me. We did not see Ekene coming to the social media to talk about him. All we had is they said, by the side. And they said, you don't know what is the truth. We don't work with hearsay. We work with life evidence. This way we saw him live saying all sorts of things. I don't know who is Ekene Umenwa. I've never met her before. I've never spoken with her before. She's not my friend. She's not my relation. We are not even from the same state. The The man we are talking about, I don't know him. The only way I think I used to notice him is when he used to act a priest. Whether it's representing the Catholic Church, our priest well or not, it's not even what I want to talk about. When he do all this, is acting as a priest. Now, I saw a video of a blogger saying that she doesn't like people who talk about Jesus, about Mary, who claims to be church people. That she used that word, that she hate them. People who pretend, who follow, who go to church. She don't like church people. Madam, you don't like church people. I know. You prefer criminals. You prefer bad and evil people. You prefer those that are naked on the social media, showing their nakedness. Thank you so much. I think I'm getting to feel as if this thing is an attack on the church. Yes. Because some people who are talking against Ekene, when you look at them, what they're talking about, she pretends to be a church person. My dear, what do you people want, Seth? So all you people want is somebody should let every actress be naked on the social media. If you are not naked, if you show your church practice, then you become a pretender. That means every sister is a pretender. Every priest is a pretender. Anybody that goes to... Why this fight on the church of Christ? If we talk now, you people will carry us. You'll carry me and say, waiting you know about me and waiting you know. Because all your intention is to destroy. All your intention is to assassinate. All your intention is to tear somebody. As I said, you people know me. I am that sister that always come out when people are blackmailing somebody. I don't think it's right. First, see, Oga Actor, leave Ekene alone. You and your group. Leave her alone. Una never tell us the problem. And let me analyze your videos. People only look at, hey, he betray you. If that woman, I believe, she's a woman, no. Leave her alone, no. If that woman open mouth to respond to you, thank God she has not responded to you. Ekene Umenwa, thank you for not responding and don't respond. Somebody should tag her for me. Tell her not to respond. I believe it's that woman who you call your bestie. You have been friends. If she come to the internet and open mouth and talk about you, Church Gabasapo. I was moved and heartbroken when you, Oga Actor, open mouth and said to a woman that you will, if she push you, you push out of marriage. Who are you to push out of marriage? Are you God? What God has joined together, no man can put asunder. How dare you? You have your own marriage. You never even born. You are threatening somebody or pushing her out of marriage. Are you for real? All in the name of anger? All in the name of quarrel? Okay, let me analyze your video. I want people to listen to me. Because before you know it, they will tell me, yes, sister, it not concern you. Why it not concern me? Waiting be my job as a sister, if not to speak the truth and tell the world. Waiting be my job. You tell me it not concern you, you be sister. Go away. I want to analyze those videos. For some of you who are talking. First of all, as a good friend, you're not supposed to. When you are no longer friend with somebody, go your way. Leave that person. Go your... I'm using this opportunity to advise all of you. If you are my friend and we have a problem, we are not God. We can have problem. And there's a problem, my dear, go your way, I go my way. Stop blackmailing me and I'm not going to talk about you. Okay? So, as I said, I want to analyze your video. One, I want to ask you, why the many videos at a time? What was your intention? Oga actor, your intention of, I had a video you said you're not going to talk about Ekene again unless this. Why the many videos? I put it to you that the many videos is because you really want to destroy her career. You really want to destroy her personality. You want to ruin her life. You are retaliating whatever you feel she did to you. That was that your bestie. Where is that love that existed? I saw a lot of pictures on social media flying that you people took together. That means she was really your bestie. What happened? Because you married or what? I don't know. But your intention of all these videos is just to destroy her future. But you are not God. People like us will always know the truth. You know, when gossip hit the ears of the wise, it will bounce back. I don't want to use a bad word. I'm not anybody out there that you can tell anytime we listen and believe you. No, because I've been a victim of blackmail, and therefore I cannot listen to that trash. There's no doubt Ekene must have offended you by one way or the other, but there is not enough reason for you to start doing all these videos you're doing. Two, I want to ask you, why did you wait for 1 year before blowing up? Why did you wait for 1 year? Now, well, you get hurt, you. People who can, that means you used 1 year to plan how you were going to damage her. Like you said, you may tell us what happened in America. So you took your time to meet the woman in America and get all your information before you blow. You didn't use that 1 year to get healed, according to you. From the look of things, you were not healed at all. It was a period of planning. That is it. Oh, I don't know what to say. You were not healed. And I pray you get healed. I pray you get healed. Because you also need your career. Yes. Get healed. Three, you said the reason why you made another video is because your wife's name was mentioned. And therefore, you came to fight for your wife. Oga actor. Because your wife's name was mentioned, by hearsay, by the side, Ekene didn't call you. She didn't talk to you. She didn't make any video. But people by the side, according to you, that was sponsoring her, you came to fight for your wife. And my question is Ekene not somebody's wife? Is Ekene not somebody's sister-in-law? You have been on the social media damaging somebody's wife without any respect for the husband, for the in-laws, for the parents, for even her mother whom you claim that is a nice person. You didn't care. You were damaging somebody's wife and threatening to push out of marriage. And you are here fighting for your wife. Really? Let me tell you, you never loved Ekene. Are you surprised to hear it? You know, you men, I don't want to say even anything about men in general. You men, you only know why you befriended Ekene and why you were friends. But as for me, Mother Mario, you never loved Ekene. Now, let me now really come to analyzation of your content. Because I feel you are creating content, but let me analyze it. you said, your first anger on Ekene, your first accusation on Ekene is that you said she disappointed you. What did she do? There's a movie you wanted her to act with you. And she couldn't tell you no, but she was giving you excuses. The first one, she told you, she's preparing for her wedding. Let her finish the wedding. The second time, she told you she's going for honeymoon. The another one, when she came back, and at the end of it all, she didn't show up. Oga movie actor, did you listen to yourself to the title of the movie you want a newly married woman to come and act with you? Your bestie waiting. I can't even remember exactly the word you gave the movie. You don't have respect, you. I'm not here to insult you. But for all these many videos at a time, which your intention is just to convince us that Ekene is an evil woman, is not a good friend. And that's why I'm analyzing. Let's see how good you are in friendship. At least I can boast of friendship. I have good friends that has been my friend for the past 28 years. We are still very close friends. Yes. You talk about friendship. I'm here to talk about, maybe in another video, I'll talk about issue of maybe the woman in America, about help. I have lived in America for 19 years and I have helped people. I have helped people who came here and became citizens. Do I hold them on the neck to come and do this or do that? Help is help. Charity is charity. Stop counting. If I don't want to be your friend again, I don't want to be your friend. Friendship is not by force. I don't want is I don't want. There is reason why I don't want. And if Ekene have to come to social media now to start telling us why she did what she did, you'll be surprised though. But don't do that, Ekene. I'm not supporting ungratefulness. Some people in life is dying grace. I agree. But why did even the American woman waited till when Oga actor started his own, then she started her own? How many years ago did Ekene give birth? Why now? That means you people really plan to ruin her career. Yes. Now, Oga actor, she disappointed you in a movie. You wanted her to act with you. Let me tell you that people that cannot just look at you and say no to you. Ekene knew that movie wouldn't go well with her and her husband. And that's why she didn't want to act it. But she would have tell you, her, my bestie, I know you are my bestie. I know we are friends, but I'm not married. I can't act this movie with you. You don't know whether she told the husband and the husband got angry with it. You don't know whether she was about to come out that day and the husband maybe locked the door and it became a problem. Sometimes we can help our friends. We don't have to put our friends in a tight corner. Especially those our friends that cannot say no to us. We can help them. Oga, married women, look into this and judge. I want all married women to look into this. That you once had a close friend and now you are married. And your close friend wants you to come and act the kind of movie to show you used to be my bestie. A married woman. And now he later changed the title and another person did it. And then that's why you feel disappointed. Respect is a reciprocal. Respect a married woman. She's no longer that Ekene you used to know before she married. Yes. She will act it now. She wants to leave. Oh, is that why you said you may push her out of the marriage? Was it your plan as at then? Were you angry she married? Of course, I don't think you had the intention of marrying her. So, allow her to enjoy her marriage. Don't push her out of marriage because you're not the one that ordained the marriage. You will not be happy with this video. I understand. And you will do everything you can do. Maybe to fight me. But I am happy I am delivering this message so that these things has to stop. I want to I want to reset the head of those supporting you and fighting Ekene for no reason. No reason. Friends can have problem. Another thing, you said she questioned you when you told her that you wanted to marry. She said, why are you marrying person where we don't know now? We don't know this one. And you said, you quickly responded, I know him. Now, quarrel. As your friend, Ekene has the right to ask you the question she asks you. Why are you marrying person where we don't know? It's your friend. You claimed she was your friend. I do it to some of my friends. They want to marry. I'm like, that was baby shower I went here the other time. And I just said that, I said, this our daughter, na Igbo person go marry am. And after that, people say, but Mario, why are you being tribalistic? I said, I don't finish my own. Oga actor, you left Ali Igbo. You left Ali Igbo, left Nigeria to Ghana to marry. You can't leave all our women where they look for husband. Go marry for Ghana. We get many Igbo women where they look for husband. Who you leave them for? So if I can ask you, say, we don't know this one, no, because she's not from our side. You know, do bad thing. Maybe you know one marry Igbo girl again because according to you, Igbo girl dumped you. Now you where the Igbo girl dump. Then you vex. You don't want Igbo girls again, Abi. But you're still acting with Igbo girls. I still see your videos acting with Igbo girls. You know, go carry all the Ghana girls to do the movie. You leave our women. And now, your friend asks, we don't know this one, no. And you are, it's not jealous. Anybody can do that. Even parents, when you want to marry outside your tribe, they go quarrel you. But for me, you can marry anybody you love. I don't care. You can befriend anybody you like. Be white or black. I don't care again, no. I used to care. But I don't care. But if she said that, bro, you know bad. No be jealousy. After all, she married before you. Okay. Now, after una misunderstanding, she can't travel, go abroad, go born her pikin. Before she born her pikin, for you people wey say Ekene wicked, Ekene no be church person, is still that in Mother Mary and Jesus will touch her heart. According to Oga, she carry phone, call Oga. Una they follow this trend. I took my time to listen to it. Ekene Umenwa took phone and called Oga for reconciliation. He feel that he disappointed him in that acting of the movie. He say, I am sorry. I no fit just go bomb my pikin when I know say two of us dey quarrel. They reconciled. And he agreed that they reconciled. Ekene can come back. As in come back. Oga actor can they plan his wedding. Ekene still helped out in planning this wedding. I've not heard from Ekene. I am judging from waiting Oga actor tell us. Oga actor say Ekene was the one that recommended the person wey sew him wife's clothes. Ekene recommended certain things. But unfortunately, the eve of the wedding, the cloth no ready. Now, according to him, he was defending. I saw a video yesterday where he was defending himself. Say Ekene's people say na Ekene pay for the clothes, but he can't show receipt. Say where he show say he give Ekene money to pay. Oga, oh my God. Ekene was doing these things for you without you giving her wedding planner. You know, you have that your bestie, she's a wedding planner. You refuse to give her wedding planner, according to you, that when you, because of waiting she do, that means you didn't forgive. And yet, she thought you have forgiven. She came back and was helping you. Yes, you gave her money to pay for the clothes, this and that. She be a housemaid. She be a boy. She helped you. She collected the money from you. She went and paid these things, helping you in your marriage. Yet you did not give her a wedding planner. Yet she came for your wedding. And she came for your wedding, wanted to take picture with cameraman, and you were eyeing her. You knew what she want to do. She wanted content. All of you, they do content when una go on a friend's wedding. Even burial, una they do content there. I don't see this ghost father's burial. All of you, even when you are giving money, una carry una cameraman. So waiting, why her own they different? If she carry camera come make it be with you snap, una na the thing where una all of una actors and actresses una they do am. Una they do am. And again, oh my God. You can't talk say you no regret of not giving her wedding planner, and you started advertising for the person that did wedding planner for you. Yet in the heart of Ekene, it is say una don't reconcile. As you not give am wedding planner, she still helped you to recommend all those things. Again, there's something that happened. You got angry. That was the main thing. The waiting break the camel's eye. According to you, you said Ekene came to you and was telling you against your ex-girlfriend who dumped you or whom you dumped. No na sabi. You know men na. No na way. According to you, she dumped you. Now, Ekene came to you telling you bad against her. Telling you how she will bring the anointing oil to pray to protect your wedding. And yet, she went to say happy birthday to the same person. My dear, what made she buy your enmity? You want me she follow you, become enemy to your ex. That's part of our problem with the buy enmity. If you don't like me, want everybody not to like me. Let me tell you, Ekene came to you to give you advice as a friend. Onyara werenyi. Your friend that dumped you has her own good friends where you never offend. I can come to you and say, my dear, maybe because I've heard what that person said or did against you, I say, my dear, be careful about this person. Just be careful. I know she doesn't like you, blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't make me to be an enemy of that person. Yes. She's also her colleague. She's also a friend. Remember, there was a time 3 of you were good friends. So, Ekene cannot, because you and your ex have problem, then she will become her enemy. She has right to say happy birthday to her, because she's not her enemy. That she wants you. After all, ndị ọjọọ nwere nne na nna, ndị ọjọọ nwere ụmụnne. And then you got angry. You unfollowed her. Why will she tell you against her on the week of your wedding, and she went to wish your ex happy birthday? What is wrong with that? Why is your heart like this? Eh? Let me tell you, my best friend the other day told me she was going for burial. I say, who died? He said he called the sister that her brother died. And that was the sister that nearly destroyed me in life. She gossiped, she planned sending me away from the convent. There's nothing she did not do to me. But I have forgiven her. But that cannot make her my best friend. We just say hi, because I want to go to heaven. But my best friend wants to go for the burial, and I can't stop her. I cannot remote her life. So that you and your ex has problem shouldn't affect Ekene, her relationship with her. And that's the truth. And that's part of our problem. Because you and somebody is not in good terms, you want everybody to become that person's enemy. That's part of the problem we're going through in life. Yes. So, let me tell you again. I was not happy with what you were doing, because you claim to be a friend of the family of Ekene. You brought her siblings into this. You brought her mother into this. You brought her husband into this. What kind of a man is this? Okay, why you just abasir? I mean, we used to know women for gossip. Men, why did you? It's like you people took over. In everything Ekene did to you, yes, you said you were an orphan, but you had a what will I call it now? An adopted mother. During your wedding, I had one of our actors was your mother. So Ekene has never, even in all this gossip from you, has never mentioned any of your siblings, any of your relation, any of your biological mother. She only called your pastor, and she was angry. Of course, she called the right person to talk to you. Okay? Why mentioning, telling the whole world that her siblings is bad, is in their blood? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? Just because? What did she even do to you? Because you lost followers? Because bloggers look for what to do, what to say. Just like it's like I'm giving them money now. Yes. Some of your friends will pick this and say what they want to say and make money. That's okay. But let me tell you, there's somebody you will pick up to blackmail. You are just making the person popular. Whenever I come out and speak the truth, some bloggers wanna try to mess me up. But in their process of trying to mess me up, they make me more popular. They make me become more God's favorite. When your soul is protected by God, there's nothing the devil can do to you. The devil can't do me anything. People who try to destroy me end up being victims of circumstances. It's not everybody you can dent. Oh God, I'm talking to you. Stop these videos you're doing. Stop them. it seems this is becoming an attack on Mother Mary, this issue. And it seems it's becoming an attack on the church, which Ekene believes. Mind you, I repeat, Ekene is a woman. If she decides to respond to you, you may not like it. Yes. And if the husband, as a man, decide to also come after you as a fellow man, you may not like it. And if this her family decide to come after you, you forgot the good time. Oga actor. Those good times, saw the pictures. Why you not even marry her? Since she was your pali. But that's not my business. It's not why I'm here. What I'm saying is that I want to calm you down. Oga actor. Calm down. You know, calm down. Life is not like that. You are angry. All these things you are telling us is not the reason why you are angry. Because I have taken time to analyze it. It's not enough to make you angry. Yes, you are so bitter. You know why you are angry. You know why you are bitter. But calm down. Let go. Forgive. If Ekene has offended you, forgive. You were disappointed she didn't add the movie. But you never thought of that movie was not good for a married woman to act it. Yes. The title. You didn't tell us what is inside. But from the title, that was not good for her. So stop being angry. Just that she didn't pick the courage to tell you the truth. Okay? So, where Magiti no wo don't make more videos. It's not necessary. Let me tell you, the more you make these videos, the more people run away from you. The more you're losing your followers. We used to love you. We used to like, you were in your church. That's why I'm disappointed. For people who are tagging Ekene, that's why I like him, the church. I like him, the church. The actor we are talking about is also on your church. Ojikwe preach. Ejikwe mege. You know, I follow many of you. Maybe you people don't know. Not from this my page. I use my other page to follow all of you. I see. We see. So, Ekene, my advice to you is that don't respond. At the same time, if some of the things they said against you, if it is true, don't do them. Always explain yourself to people who are close to you. You are in somebody's house and it's no longer comfortable for your baby or for you. Say, I am sorry. There's something going on here. That's why I'm always a blunt person. I don't like. I need to move. Betrayal is not good. Being an ingrate is not good. So, everybody forgive one another. Ekene, stop talking to any other person. Stop defending yourself. Just move on. We love you. Continue honoring Mother Mary. Continue going to your church, blessed sacrament. Continue. The devil will not be happy with that. So, we see, we know. Ndị chọrọ ịma ga-amakwa nkewa eziokwu. Ndị achọghị ịma ga-agbasakwara unu. So I want you to share this message. Please tag the Oga actor. You people know who I'm talking about. I didn't call his name because he's not calling name. So I want to follow his pattern. I'm not also calling them. So have a blessed day. As I said, share my message. I pray for every one of you that is going through pains, through betrayal of a good friend. May God heal you. May God touch your hearts. We have betrayers everywhere. We are friends. Everything we did in secret, just because we have a problem, you bring it out there. Some of you are good in this. When you are no longer friend with somebody, move on with your life. Go find the right people. God will give you the right person. God will give you the right person. You don't need to fight for love. You don't need to fight for friendship. Stop being broken just because somebody don't want you again in his or her life. Let me tell you, some men will leave you before even you know. Some of you will dump a man, say, I have dumped a man. He has left you since long time ago and be looking for your trouble, waiting for you to say it by yourself. I don't want again, and they will claim you dumped them. But they push you to say, you know what, I have to go. Because you want to protect your heart. Can't go see before we put it on one trouble now. Have a blessed day. May God bless you all. In Jesus' name. Amen.